Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to know how to hire AI specialist for your SaaS business from Fiverr? Running a SaaS business and thinking about integrating AI? It's a smart move, but you'll need the right expert to do it right. Whether it's building intelligent automation, predictive analytics, chatbots, or AI driven features, hiring a skilled AI specialist can give your product a serious competitive edge. So, here is how you can actually hire a AI specialist for your SaaS business from Fiverr. So, you'll find top rated AI professionals with experience in machine learning, data science, natural language processing, and SaaS integration on Fiverr. You can filter by skills, budget, delivery time, and even industry experience. Here is how to get started. Search for AI specialist or machine learning expert. Check their gig descriptions, browse portfolios, and read verified reviews. Don't hesitate to message the seller with your specific needs before placing an order. Communication is the key. Hiring the right expert can turn your SaaS product into a smarter, faster, and more scalable solution. Ready to take your platform to the next level? Link is in the description box. Go find the perfect AI specialist for your business on Fiverr today. If you want more growth tips for your SaaS journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.